Alright, so how is my diesel heater doing? It is doing good. I've had it almost a year now. I drilled one hole. I got a drill hole kit that you do for doing doors and putting locks and stuff in. And I fit it underneath the exhaust section. And that's what I used to drill a hole. I drilled one hole in the floor of my van, and then I left the air intake on the inside of the van, so it's continuously sucking air that's already warm. I'm not worried about running out of oxygen because this van does leak air. All vehicles do, through the doors and seals and everything, so I'm not worried about it. This way, this doesn't get iced up when you're in the middle of the night and this stops working. That's why I did it this way. I've seen multiple videos and talked to people that had it on the outside, and in the middle of the night this would stop working. They had to get out of their van, figure out, oh, do I have a fuel leak? Do I have whatever? Come to find out, they take that little filter off and the line's caked up with ice. So you got to bang the ice out of the air intake, and a couple hours later it happens again. So I said, I'm not doing that. It's going inside the van, and this thing works great. And the only thing you really need to do for maintenance to these is alright, so I got loaded. The lady caught me doing a YouTube video. So the only thing you really have to do to maintenance to these is fire it up once every month. Crank it up as high as it'll go for 30-40 minutes. Shut it down, and then that should help the burn chamber burn out all the garbage and keep your glow plug from corroding with diesel fuel that's left on it. If you leave it for a long time, the diesel fuel allegedly corrodes your glow plug. So that's what I do. That's what I did with my Webasto, the German made one. That's what I'm going to continue to do to this one. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I'm in a warmer climate right now down in Texas, so I crawled underneath the van, and hopefully you got a decent shot of the hole that I cut, and I filled it in with it's like a red engine gasket maker sealant, whatever. It's like a red goop. I filled it in, stuffed it in with like a putty blade, jammed it in there really good so it's sealed up, and it's still there. So it's been a year, and this thing gets freaking hot. So I think it's good up to 1,000 degrees or something like that. Some 600 or 700 degrees. So I think I got the high temp 1,000 one or something. But yeah, that's all I really did to install my diesel heater, besides hook up my electric from my deep cycle batteries, and that runs off my alternator, and I have a switch that I can kill the power to the back batteries from the front one, so it's not draining my front starter battery. So yeah, hope you found it informative. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.